Yeah, then another question I want to ask is like, like after you you create the filter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like once you've done filtering, like I realized that I might miss out on this lah, but like, do you teach how to count like the number of cells after
Count
you
the number
filter,
of cells. Uh,
like the
actually,
filtered cell?
actually, after you filter, okay, I didn't really, I didn't teach it because I taught the count formula, but so there's a few ways. If you're going to use filter and you're going to count stuff, pivot table is actually not bad. But if you
Mm.
do want to count, after you play with the filter, after you select your filter, at the bottom of your Excel, they actually tell you the number.
Oh, okay. Because like I went to Google, right? Then I used the subtotal.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
I didn't know about the at the bottom. Okay, okay, I see.
Yeah, let me just bring up the pre-tutorial 2 data set for you.
Alright, thanks.
Then I can share screen. Give me a while. Okay, I'm going to share screen now.
Mm.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, let's try to filter machines. Okay, I want to see
Okay.
only the yes. Can you see at the bottom of my screen 18 of 30?
Oh, okay, okay. I didn't. I see. I see. Okay.
Yeah, if I filter even more, then 9 of 30.
Wow.
Like that, like that. Okay, while we're at it, let
Yeah.
me teach you more tricks. Okay. Now let's
Okay.
say for example this is not a serial number. Let's say these are just numbers that I want to that mean something. Okay. Now
Mm.
I can highlight. Okay. Okay. Can you see at the bottom of my Excel screen?
Yeah.
Average. It calculates the average, the count. So there are 30 things in here. The minimum
Mm.
value is 1, maximum is 30, the sum is 465. You can right click and you can select all the things that you want to see. So by default, usually max and minimum isn't shown. So you can right click and then choose
Oh.
minimum and max.
Wow. Damn.
Yeah. Ta-da. So this is how I quickly do my calculations also. I always look at the bottom.
Well, I went the long routes here. Like I went to look at the subtotal. I
Oh, okay.
equal subtotal, then I bracket, then I count A. Yeah, then I have to
Uh-huh.
highlight the entire column.
Oh, okay. Okay lah. Actually, that's not bad in the sense that you learn a new feature, a new function also. Someday it'll come in handy also lah. Yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah.
The other thing you can do is pivot table. So potentially you can pivot table to get certain statistics about stuff.
Mm.
Yeah. So that's another way to count it lor. Yeah.